Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to pin single or multiple folders inside File Explorer app icon present in the Windows Taskbar. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my Windows Taskbar File Explorer app icon. So whenever we right mouse click on it, now you can see already pin folders, so you can see different folders. So now in order to pin a single or multiple folders inside this File Explorer app icon, what you need to do is, say you can see on my desktop home screen I have two different folders as you can see. So in order to pin single or multiple folders, what you need to do is, say I want to pin both these folders, so you can select a single folder also if you wish. So I will select both the folders right now, and after selecting, just right mouse click. And now you will see here one option written pin to quick access. Just click on it. Now just right mouse click on this File Explorer app icon present on your Windows Taskbar. Voila, you can see I have pinned the respective folders as you can see here. So you can pin more folders if you wish by using this similar method, and if you want to unpin it, as you can see here, unpin option, just click on this icon and it will get unpinned. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily pin single or multiple folders inside File Explorer app icon present in the Windows Taskbar very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.